To access your Abertay Researcher Professional Development Portfolio Planner in PebblePad, first access Tools and Resources. Go to the Resource Centre and then look for the For Me tab because it was created for you. Click on the workbook, then click Use. The asset's been set to auto-submit to a workspace so that your supervisor can see it. Remember to save. This has created a copy in your own asset store, and you can see here there's a message saying that it's actually been submitted. Research degree students are expected to engage with both generic and specialist research training, which must be planned and recorded. Check the Research Degree Student and Supervisor Handbook for details. There's a link to the internet where you can find more information. The Graduate School subscribes to Vitae Resources, where you'll find helpful information relating to planning your development. They've developed a model with 4 domains. This is A, knowledge and intellectual abilities, B, personal effectiveness, C, research governance and organisation, and D, engagement, influence and impact. These are all essential skills for researchers. Let's have a look at Domain A. The PebblePad workbook provides links to all the appropriate resources on the Vitae webpage. If you look at the Vitae Researcher Development Framework Planner, you can see that they talk about lenses. A lens is looking at the framework from a certain point of view. For example, if you're getting started in research, subject knowledge and information seeking are really important. And you can see here that that's looking at the lens from getting started in research. From an employability perspective, however, perhaps languages might be more important. The workbook indicates which skill is pertinent to each lens. There are also different phases. Phase 1 is when you're starting out. However, Phase 5 would be appropriate perhaps to a professor. You'll probably work through the phases, starting at Phase 1 and working onward. For instance, for languages, you may feel that you've mastered the technical vocabulary relevant in your field. So perhaps you could just put that in. So put the date in and describe the progress. You can link to the paper to provide evidence. Click on your asset store. If it's there, you can just click on it and then link to it. If it's not there, you need to upload it. Click to say that you're entitled to upload the file because it's yours, and then save and upload. This brings the paper into your asset store where you can click on it and confirm. And this hyperlinks it to your workbook. You may want to go on and describe how you're studying further languages that are relevant to your area. For large pieces of work, you may actually want to create an optional detailed plan, and you can do that separately in PebblePad and then link it in here. Let's save and close this for now. To create a plan, go to Add New and then Plan. You can describe the current situation and any steps to success. This may include enrolling on classes. It might be helpful to fill out a SWOT analysis and any supporting resources. Save your plan. Go back to your asset store. Open up your planner. Go to A1 and languages. And you may like to add your plan in there. Your planner lets you see the skills that are important, and you can just work through and record exactly what you've done, providing evidence.